Recently, meme coins on the base trend has been extremely popular, breaking soaring 20,000 times in just 3 months. This means there are many opportunities to make money on the base trend. Today, I will show you a complete beginner's guide video on Coinbase. We will cover how to download and create a Coinbase wallet, deposit and withdrawing cryptocurrency, understand gas fees, and navigate different networks. I will demonstrate everything, whether you prefer using the mobile app or the web versions on your computer. I guarantee you will understand and learn it easily. So welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you step by step on how to use Coinbase wallets from the only publicly traded cryptocurrency exchange in the US, Coinbase. First, let's demonstrate the downloading process from iOS, Google Play, and the Google Chrome plugins. We will start by explaining how to download and use the Coinbase wallets on your mobile device. So first, you need a non-China region Apple ID. After logging in, you can search for Coinbase wallet in the search bar of the Apple App Store. So after searching it, you will see the Coinbase wallet listed. Open it, and the first results in the non-ad section show the Coinbase wallet. Click to enter. Confirm that the developer is Coinbase wallet to ensure it's the official versions, and then you can download it confidently. So once the download is complete, open the Coinbase wallet. So now we can see that the UI and animations of the Coinbase wallets are very well done. So at the bottom are two options. The first one is create new wallet, and the second one is I already have a wallet. So let's create a new wallet. Click on create new wallet, and then it will ask you to create a passcode. So just say a passcode. After you set in your passcodes, now you will enter the wallet creation page where it asks if you want to claim a username. This username is like giving your wallet a name, which others can use when transferring funds. Let's try to create a name. So for example, I want to use my nickname, so I will set it as Lily1004. So now we can see that this name is available, so click the check mark to confirm its use and click on claim my username. Click on done now. So now we can see that we have now created a Coinbase wallet using this name. So in order to make our wallets more safety, I highly recommend to complete some security process to backup our wallet. So click on setting here and then click on security. So now we can see that our wallet it is not backup yet. So just click on it, enter your passcode. Then here it will ask you to record a recurring phrase and choose whether to back it up in iCloud or write it down manually. I recommend writing it down manually because iCloud may not be completely secure. So just click on backup manually and tick the box and complete the backup. So now we can see that our wallet is backup. So now let's look at the feature within the Coinbase wallet. At the top is the wallet balance, which is currently 0 since it is a new wallet. And on the right are the bytes and receipts option. Clicking bytes will allow you to link your Coinbase account and buy cryptocurrency directly, transferring it into your wallet. And if we click in the receipts button, will show you that the Coinbase wallet supports multiple blockchains. After clicking receipt, you will see various addresses such as Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin address. If you have Dogecoin, click on other assets, and the Dogecoin address will appear. So now we can click on Dogecoin to see the Dogecoin receiving address and QR codes. Then let's return to the wallet homepage. You will see assets and transactions at the bottom. Clicking transactions will show no assets in the wallet yet. Once you deposit assets, you can use the transaction functions, a small feature for exchanging tokens on centralized exchange. Then moving further to the right, there is a browsers function where you can directly use popular dApps selected by Coinbase within the wallet. So next, I will show you how to add Coinbase wallet plugins to your Chrome browser. But before that, if you are Android users, you can also download the Coinbase wallet from the Google Play. So just click on it and go to Google Play Store and install it. So for the Chrome browser, you need to open the Chrome Web Store first and search for Coinbase. So the first result will be the Coinbase wallet. So click on it and make sure the provider is Coinbase to confirm it is the official software. So click on Add to Current in the top right corner and then click on Add Extension. So once added, you can see the Coinbase wallet in the small puzzle piece icons at the top right. So now we can click the pin icon to pin it for easiest access. So the Coinbase wallet icon will appear in the top right corner. Then if we click on it, you will see option to create a new wallet or add an existing one. If you already create a wallet on your mobile device, you can link it to the Coinbase mobile app. So click I already have a wallet. Then you will be prompted to enter recurring phrase to log into the web version. So the recurring phrase just 12 words you write it down manually in your mobile app before. Yeah, and click on input the wallet. Then after verifying the recurring phrase, it will ask you to create a password. So remember to set up password as strong as possible. And then accepting terms and conditions, click on submit. So for here, if you don't don't have a wallet, click create new wallets. Then just record the recurring phrase, click on continue and set the password and click on submit. So after creating the wallet, you can claim the free username if you want one. So click to cleanse and set your desired end. So once in the Coinbase wallet web version, so click buy to purchase digital currency through Coinbase and transfer it seamlessly into your wallet. And also we can see that the swap functions allows you to exchange cryptocurrency within your wallet. And the bridge function enable cross-chain token transfer. The next one will be the send. The send function allows you to send digital currencies to a friend's account or another receiving address. And finally, you can select the type of token you want to receive, such as Ethereum address. Coinbase is a multi-chain wallet, so you can choose address from different blockchains. So click the Dogecoin QR code to deposit Dogecoins via the QR code or address. So back to the homepage, at the bottom you will see the types and the amounts of cryptocurrencies in your wallet, NFTs in your wallet, and also the fees options to earn money through your wallet, and transaction history showing your wallet transactions, and the setting functions allows you to change your password and also the appearance. Next, you may wonder what is a gas feed. So imagine blockchain as a post office. So the first, when you sending a letter, you want to transact on the blockchain, like sending cryptocurrency to your friend. And second, stamped as a feed. Just like mailing a letter requires a stamp, a transaction on the blockchain requires a stamp called gas fee. And why do we need gas fees? So the first, which is preventing spams. So imagine that if sending letters didn't require stamps, anyone could send unlimited junk mails. Stamps preventing this by adding a cost. And second, similarly, gas fees prevent a flood of meaningless transactions on the blockchain, keeping the network run smoothly. On the other hand, it is also a rewarding the postcode worker. So the postcode workers delivers your letter, so you pay for the postage. And second, miners or validators process and verify your transactions on the blockchain. Gas fees are their rewards. So gas fees are like the postage you pay for making transactions on the blockchain. They prevent spams, ensure network security, and compensates those who process the transactions. And many other blockchains network exist besides the well-known Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Base networks. These different networks are like separate countries, each with its own currency. Each country's post office like network only accepts its own currency for gas fee. Make things convenient, Coinbase Wallet is a multi-chain wallet. With it, you can easily browse and use networks like Base, Ethereum, Solana, etc. Wallets that support multiple networks like Coinbase Wallet are called multi-chain wallets. So let's discuss adding some crypto to our wallet so we can use it. You will need to pay gas fees whenever you use your wallet. So for example, if you have like $1,000 in your account, you can't do anything with it. You can move, transfer it, or send it because you must pay gas fees. So to pay for gas fee, you need a network native coins, which varies depending on the network. So if you are diving into decentralized finance, you need to know which network you are using and what token is required for the gas fees. So for Coinbase Wallet, we will fund this through Coinbase. You don't need a Coinbase account to use Coinbase Wallet, but having one makes transferring funds easier due to their close relationship. You can, if you prefer to fund your wallet from another exchange or source, you will just need your wallet address to receive the funds and make sure you send the funds to the correct network. So with Coinbase Wallet, you can transfer funds from Coinbase. So to do this, click on Byte. So here we can see that connect to Coinbase. Click on here. So for here, you need to log into your Coinbase account through Coinbase Wallet. So when connecting your account, you will have some authorization options. By default, it says send crypto from your account. This app can send up to $25,000 monthly on your behalf. So for here, I recommend changing this amount to a small amount for security reasons. Maybe for example, like 10,000. So when you just change the limit, click on Allow Access. After authorizing, your account is connected. So to fund your wallet, you have two options: buy a new asset or transfer from Coinbase. Since I have USDCs in my Coinbase account, I will transfer them by selecting Transfer from Coinbase USDC. So the simple solution is to hit the source of funds and select USDC instead US dollars. Then now click on Continue to Payment. So as we can see here, this is the USDC balance in your account, which you will send from your Coinbase exchange account to your Coinbase wallet. So if you are new to this, I recommend sending a small amount as a test until you are comfortable sending larger amounts. So for here, we are sending one USDC to the specified address and networks on the order preview page. There are several network options. So by default, it is Base, but we can see that there are also other networks we can choose from, like Avalanche, Polygon, Solana. So for here, you need to change the network to send USDC on a Solana chain. Be aware of this to avoid sending access to the RUN network. Coinbase supports Solana, Base, Ethereum, and Avalanche, always low network fees. So we will use Solana and hit continue to payment. So now we can double check all the detail and hit convert. So now we can see that the USDC will be in your account. And now let's focus on how to move your funds from Coinbase wallets back to the Coinbase exchange. To do this, go into Coinbase and select receipts. So for now, we are choosing USDC. If you want to change the coin, you can easily to do that at the top line, for example here. So for here, we are choosing USDC. And then the small test say the network, selecting that and choose the desired network. If our USDC is on Base Change in our Coinbase wallet, let's Base to get the correct crypto address. Then from here, you can either copy the address or save the QR code. Then just go into your Coinbase wallet and selecting send. And from here, please remember that we need to select the USDC, which in the Base Change because you are sending and depositing in the same network. So selecting Base Change. So now click on Max and then Next. And from here, you can scan out the QR code which is in here or just copy the address you got from your Coinbase. And then just click on Convert. And then from here, we can see everything is pre-populated, showing the network feeds. And now just hit convert and then just enter your passcode. So now we can see that our asset is successfully sent. So your USDC on the Base chain to the Coinbase exchange. So click on that. And also by doing this, you can move your funds in the Coinbase wallet to the other exchange wherever you want. And then I will show you how to earn money using the Coinbase wallet. So our newly created wallet has a task features. Currently with 6 tasks available, so click on browsers, then you will see all the quizzes. Click on the first task, you will see it is a pro related task, so completing this quiz will earn you like £31 worth of pro tokens with detailed instructions. So if we want to do it, just start quiz. And also there are other more quizzes you can do, so completing all 6 tasks will earn you a total reward of 73 points. And next, let's look at the explore session in the bottom navigation bar. This is more of the data dashboard showing the price changes and some data of various tokens including NFTs. So if you are interested, you can explore further. And finally, the setting function allows you to change the network, security password, and the appearance of the Coinbase wallets. So in the end, there are important tips for using Coinbase wallets. So the first one is keeping your recurring fees secured. So it is crucial to safeguard your wallet's recurring fees as it protects your assets. Anyone with access to your recurring fees can transfer your assets. And if you forgot your recurring fees, you may permanently lose access to your assets. And second, understanding Coinbase wallet independence. So Coinbase developed Coinbase wallet, but Coinbase exchange doesn't control your assets. You are responsible for securing and managing your assets in Coinbase wallet. So if you fall victim to a scam or lose your assets, no one, including Coinbase exchange, can help you recover them. That's all for this video. I hope you find it helpful. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Enjoy your journey with Coinbase wallet and see you in the next video.